All right. For this one, we have two functions. We have f of x, which is 2x plus 5, and we have g of x, which is negative 5 plus 1. Now, we need to take the two functions. We need to find f plus g of x. Now, f plus g of x really is, now I'm going to color code this entire thing. F of x is going to be red. G of x is going to be green. Hopefully this will help everybody see what's going on. So f plus g of x really is the same thing as f of x plus g of x. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to use some substitution. So f of x comes first, and I'm just going to actually write f of x, which is 2x plus 5. And then I'm going to add it to the actual function of g of x, which is negative 5x plus 1. Now, I know on this one I don't need parentheses because I have an addition sign here, but it's always safest to use parentheses first and then get rid of them because it's pretty much separating these two. Now, it doesn't do anything with an addition, but if there was a subtraction, and then later on we're going to find out that multiplication and division really do need parentheses. All right, so if I rewrite this, I'm going to get 2x plus 5 plus a negative 5x, which is minus 5x, plus 1. So 2x minus 5x is negative 3x. And then 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay, so that is my answer for A. So f plus g of x is negative 3x plus 6. Now, let's go to the next one. Color code once again. F minus g is literally f of x minus g of x. And this equals, well, the function f of x, which is 2x plus 5, so f of x is 2x plus 5. Make sure I remember my parentheses, because this one it does matter. And then I have g of x, which is negative 5x plus 1. Now, on the test, most people mess up right here because they forget to put their parentheses, because they forget to distribute the negative into both of these guys. Remember, it's subtracting the whole function. So 2x plus 5 plus 5x minus 1. And this gives me 2 plus 5, which is 7x. 5 minus 1, which is going to be 4. So that is the answer to f minus g of x. Now, for C, I want f plus g of 2. But if you notice, we already found f plus g of x. F plus g of x is this guy right here. So if I want f plus g of 2, all I got to do is replace x with a 2 here. I don't have to do any extra work. Which ends up giving me negative 6 plus 6, which actually ends up being 0. That's interesting. And then for D, once again, f minus g of 1. Well, we already found f minus g of x, so why do we have to do extra work? So f minus g of x is 7x plus 4, so I'm going to plug that into here. So 7x, but we want x to be 1, plus 4, which is going to be 11. So f minus g of 1 is going to be 11, and f plus g of 2 is going to be 0.